So hey guys, today I want to go over something you should know before you launch any Amazon PPC campaign. And this important thing is the campaign objective. Now, why is it so important? Is because if you don't know what it is, then you would know what to expect from a campaign. If you do know the objective of it, you're going to understand what to expect from the campaign. So there are really three different types of objectives when it comes to Amazon PPC campaigns. So the first one is the launch, and this is pretty self-explanatory. Launch meaning you're launching a product and you're getting data, right? So this one you can expect the ACOS to be really high. Now, how are you gonna know? How do you set expectation for that? So that all comes down to profit margin. Once you do know what your profit margin is, then this becomes kind of easy, if you will. So what should you expect from a launch campaign? Now, if you do know your profit, like I said, you should expect the ACOS of a launch campaign to be higher than your profit margin. The second type of objective is a break-even objective. It simply means when your ACOS is equal to your profit margin. The third and last one is a profit objective, where your ACOS is lower than your profit margin. That usually happens later on in the campaign's lifespan. So, to recap, three types of objectives you should know. One, the launch campaign. Two, the break-even campaign. And the third one, the profit. Okay, so that is it. If you have any questions, any comments below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Okay, talk to you next time.